I'm in the mood to cook something Mexican today, and I think that something will be salsa simmered tortillas, also known as chilaquiles. So I started by broiling some Roma tomatoes, some jalapenos, some garlic, and onions, and with a little bit of vegetable oil, and that'll be the basis for my salsa. Now, I put all my broiled vegetables in my blender along with a 1/4 cup of water. I'll also add in 4 chipotle chilies in adobado sauce, some cilantro, and some Mexican oregano. Regular will do if you don't have Mexican, and some sesame seeds. Then I'll blend it all together. I cut up some corn tortillas into squares and triangles, and then I shallow fried them. So I've got my own tortilla chips here. And now in a cast iron skillet, I've got some chorizo browning, and I'll add that salsa that we made in the blender. Add a little bit of salt to it. And now that it's simmering, I'll add in the tortilla chips. Now the tortilla chips have softened in the simmering salsa, so now it's in a serving bowl, and I garnished it with sliced radishes, some cotija, which you can use feta, and Mexican crema, which you can substitute sour cream for. It's just delicious, and you can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Muchas gracias for watching Las Más Sabrosas 2 Minutos en Televisión. That's the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.